Hi everyone, welcome back to Glama's Latin Beauty Journal. Last week I did a get ready with me video and I really thought it was only going to take me like 10 minutes to get ready. Oh my word, it took 30 minutes to get ready. Of course I did more things than I normally do. I normally don't do contouring for my everyday makeup, but today I wanted to kind of challenge myself because I think I can get ready in 5 minutes. I think that's what it normally takes me when I'm just not wanting to scare people. Like if someone I know is coming over really quick and I have to hurry up and get some makeup on so that I don't look scary, I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that makeup that I normally do when someone is coming over really quick, fast, hurry, and I have to hurry up and get ready, and I'm hoping it's only gonna take me 5 minutes or under. Okay, so I should be timing this, shouldn't I? I will. I'll be right back. Okay, I went and got my phone and I'm going to start the timer. Is it on? There. Okay, I better hurry. Okay. So I'm gonna not talk. I thought this was the perfect time to do it because right now I don't really feel like putting makeup on, but I don't want to scare myself every time I look in the mirror. So I thought, well, this is the perfect time to challenge yourself. So it was kind of an impromptu video that I'm making here. But I really want to challenge myself to see how long it really does take me. Like when I know someone's coming over, I know I usually do it really fast. So let's see if it's as fast as I think it is. Okay. And I don't put all my makeup on that I do, like when I go somewhere. It's not my everyday makeup, it's just my quick, fast, hurry makeup. My brushes already out so that I could be even faster. Oh, that is my RV. My husband is, I don't know if you guys are familiar with RV living or not, but you have to empty the tanks, the sewage tanks, like once a week. So that's what that just was. Enough of that. That was a really loud, disgusting sound that I just filmed. When you emptied the tank, it made an ugly sound. So I'm just putting on my bronzer. Okay, and I'm also, when I'm in a fast hurry, I just use bronzer for my eyeshadow as well. I don't even know if any of this is showing up on camera or not. I am at 3 minutes right now. But I'm almost done. Okay. Next thing. I have to get close. I line my tight line and my water line when I'm in a real fast hurry, so that there can be some pop to my eyes. a teeny bit out here on the outer corner. And now for my eyebrows. I feel naked without eyebrows. When I'm in a hurry like I am, I don't take as much time on my eyebrows as I normally do. I don't shape them as well. I just make sure that I've got some eyebrows on so that I don't look like an alien. I'm going to use the brush on here and I'm finished. And it took me a little longer than I thought. It took 6 minutes and 40 seconds. But that's better. At least that is my 10 minutes and under, but I really thought it was going to be 5 minutes and under. I need to perfect this and get even faster. Because yeah, even if I normally don't put mascara on when I know someone's going to be here like in 5 minutes. And I don't always take the time to even put the bronzer on, but I thought, well, I can do it in 5 minutes. But I didn't. I did it in 6 minutes. A little over 6. So anyway, that's my quick, fast, hurry, get your makeup on because someone's coming over right now makeup routine. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this silly video, and I will be back soon with a real makeup tutorial. Let me know down below what kind of makeup tutorial you would like to see. Pretty soon I'm going to be doing a spring look because one of my viewers asked me to do a spring makeup look, so I'll be doing that probably next. Alrighty guys, I love you. Bye. Mwah.